Well, yesterday TMC released its manifesto, which sparked a massive row just ahead of Phase 1 polling of the Lok Sabha elections. In its manifesto, TMC vowed to roll back CAA and NRC. The party also promised that Uniform Civil Code will not be implemented in the country if INDI bloc comes to power. CM Mamata Banerjee, while addressing a rally in Assam's Silchar, alleged that BJP was trying to turn the entire country into a detention camp. Bengal Chief Minister added that there would be no democracy in elections if Prime Minister Narendra Modi returns to power for the third term. She asserted that TMC loves all religions and does not want people to be divided on religious lines. Bengal Chief Minister's remark has sparked a massive row. BJP has trained guns at Mamata, alleged that she was making such statements just because of vote bank compulsions, and reminded her that for making changes in the rules and regulations, it was imperative for INDI bloc MPs to win in the Lok Sabha polls and reach the parliament. BJP also accused Mamata Banerjee of misleading the people of Bengal.
आपके कोई पहुंचेगा पार्लियामेंट में तो भी तो होगा। जीएसटी बातिल हो गया, धारा 300 लागू कर दिया, बाबरी मस्जिद बना दिया, डिमोनेटाइजेशन को रोल बैक कर दिया, बाकी सीए को हटाएंगे, यही है ना प्रतिश्रुति। ये सब पागलपन की बात है, कोई विश्वास नहीं करता है। अब क्या बोलेंगे, उनके हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है।
देखिए, टीएमसी की वो तुष्टीकरण की जो प्रकाष्ठा है, जो वोट बैंक है उनका, जो एक विशेष समुदाय है, उसके ऊपर निर्धारित है। उसको खुश करने के लिए वो भारत के इज्जत के साथ भी खिलवाड़ करने में देर नहीं करते हैं। इस तरह की बातें, जो कानून पास हो रहा है, संसदीय प्रणाली जो लीगल सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को कंप्लीट करके उस पे इस तरह की बात करना, एबॉलिश कर देना, ये बचपने वाली बात है।
Obviously, the TMC and Mamata Banerjee are not aware that the CAA has already been passed. To make such bold statements and inaccurate statements and foolish statements saying that you will do away with CAA and NRC only shows you how you pander to vote bank politics and try to instigate people who truly believe that the interest of the country lies last and the interest of themselves and their political agenda lies ahead.
देश में कानून बनाने का काम देश की लोकसभा का है, सदन का है, ना कि टीएमसी का। पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश में दिन प्रतिदिन मर रहे, तबाह हो रहे, उजड़ रहे हिंदू, सिख, मुसलमान, बुद्ध, जो वहां अल्पसंख्यक हैं, उनका अत्याचार, उनकी बेटियों का हो रहा बलात्कार, चीख पुकार, वोट बैंक की राजनीति के कारण इन नेताओं के कानों तक नहीं पहुंच रहे।
So just ahead of polling for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections, the TMC has released its manifesto, which has led to a political blame game between the BJP and the TMC. Let's take a look at what the key highlights are. Of course, the promise that has been made in the manifesto to roll back the CAA and NRC has in fact led to this face-off between the BJP and the TMC. CAA will be repealed. That's one of the promises made in the manifesto. Apart from that, NRC will be stopped. That's what the TMC has promised in its manifesto. It says there will be no uniform civil code in the country if INDI is elected by the people of this country. If they are brought to power, then there will be no CAA, no NRC and no uniform civil code in the country. But why is TMC making these promises? Let's take a look at the demography. In fact, there are 13 Lok Sabha seats in West Bengal with significant Muslim vote. The importance of Muslim vote is something that has made TMC, this is what experts believe, that has made TMC focus on issues like UCC, CAA and NRC. Which are those seats? Let's take a look. As far as the Behrampur seat is concerned, 52% is the Muslim population. In Jangipur, it is 63.2%. Murshidabad, 68.5%. Raiganj, 41.7%. Malda South, 58.8%. Let's move on, take a look at other seats as well. Malda North, 45%. Bashirhat, 46.3%. Jadavpur, 21.4%. Birbhum, it's 38.8%. This is the reason why you see that the TMC has made this promise. Krishnanagar, 36.3%. Diamond Harbour, 38.5%. Jayanagar, which is a reserved seat, 35.8%, Mathurapur, 24.1%. These are the seats, in fact, 13 of them, that has a sizable Muslim population and significant Muslim vote. Adrija is joining us with more details. Adrija, the reason why the TMC has made these promises, it clearly is, focusing on these 13 Lok Sabha seats. And Bharatiya Janata Party says this is nothing but the TMC indulging once again in appeasement politics. Adrija, can you hear me? Okay, I think Adrija is not able to hear me. We'll try and connect with Adrija. But the BJP is slamming TMC for making these promises and alleging that this is nothing but appeasement politics being practiced by the TMC. Although Mamata Banerjee has said, while the manifesto was released, that they do not want people to be divided on religious lines, that the TMC loves all religions and that BJP is trying to divide people on the religious lines. That's why if they come to power, they will repeal CAA. There'll be no NRC and no uniform civil code in the country. So TMC's manifesto has now led to this political blame game between the TMC and the BJP. All of this happening just a day ahead of the first phase of polling for the Lok Sabha elections. Let's also take a look at some...
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.